Hi, it's Doug talking about submitting non-scheduled inspection reports within the Fire Department online software. After signing into your website, you will be presented with the firefighter's homepage. Your homepage will look a little different than what is being shown to you here, as your website will be customized for your fire department. Also, your fire department may not have implemented all options available within the Fire Department online software. We will not be covering how to include firefighters from other fire stations that might have helped during the submission of this non-scheduled inspection report. Also, we will not be discussing unlocking inspection sections that might be locked. To see all about including other firefighters or unlocking inspection sections, please use the link in the description below for the video on submitting scheduled inspection reports. You can submit a non-scheduled inspection report one of two ways. From the home screen on the card titled Submit Inspection Reports, your buttons might be called something else than what is being shown, as these are customized for your fire department. No matter the names of the buttons, the top button is for the scheduled inspection reports, while the bottom button is for the non-scheduled inspection reports. Click on the bottom button in the card. The second way is by clicking on inspection reports from the menu bar from any screen you are on, like the training schedule is demonstrated. On the card titled Submit Inspection Reports, click on the bottom button in the card. Before we start, I want to mention that the equipment available for non-scheduled inspection reports depends on a setting in equipment maintenance. As you can see, currently there isn't any equipment available for a non-scheduled inspection report for Fire Station Jellystone Hall. We have added Fire and Rescue 290, all the necessary equipment for Fire Station Jellystone Hall, and Pumper 470. What you don't see, as with the scheduled inspection reports, are the actual fire stations listed. Let's do the inspection report for Fire and Rescue 290 by clicking on the button to the left of Fire and Rescue 290. Since the system knew that this piece of apparatus has an odometer, it is requesting the odometer reading. Enter the odometer reading, then click on the Enter Odometer Reading button. We are now presented with all inspection sections relating to Fire and Rescue 290. Since we are in the cab, because of taking the odometer reading, and the cab has been deemed mandatory by this fire department for all non-scheduled inspection reports, let's do the cab inspection section by clicking the button to the left of cab. We will check that all items associated with the cab for Fire and Rescue 290 is okay before clicking on the Submit button. Notice that cab is no longer listed, and notice that we now have a Finalize Inspection Report button at the end of the listing. We could just finalize this inspection report since we have completed an inspection section. We want to do passenger side compartment 3 before finalizing this inspection report. Once again, we will mark all items as okay before clicking on the Submit button. That is all the inspection sections that we will have to do for this inspection report, so we can now click on the Finalize Inspection Report button. We receive a pop-up asking if we are sure that we want to finalize this inspection report. Click on the Yes button to finalize the inspection report, or you can click on the Cancel button to do another inspection section. In our case, we'll click on the Yes button. The Finalize Inspection Report screen appears. Notice the message stating that this is a partial inspection report. Let's add Firefighter Brian as helping to do this inspection report. We will add some additional comments for this inspection report. Now click on the Finalize Fire and Rescue 290 button. What the heck? We just did the non-scheduled inspection report for Fire and Rescue 290 and it is still listed? The reason for this is that Fire and Rescue 290 must be available again for the next call and the required non-scheduled inspection report for the call. That concludes the video on submitting non-scheduled inspection reports from Fire Department Online. Thanks for watching.